All right, everyone. So, welcome to another Nedzo live office hours. So, on today's call, what we're going to cover is a couple of the latest updates, and we're also going to troubleshoot any support questions. Now, an awesome new update that we just launched includes IVR navigation. So for all of you cold callers out there that are using Nedzo AI, this is an amazing feature for you. You can instruct the AI to press 1, press 2, or just press the right dial pad number and get directed to the sales department or the customer support department, whatever you're trying to do. Okay, so I think the best thing about this feature is one, increasing your conversion rates, of course, and secondly, avoiding the misuse of usage, meaning that you don't waste minutes on calls that the AI agent doesn't know what to do or how to handle. Quick note before we go ahead and demo this is that this can also be used for other use cases, not only for outbound calls. The AI agent will be able to record those numbers and understand what they mean. So if you are taking payment on a call, but you want to process it afterwards, for example, you can have the AI instruct the user to saying something like, "Okay, so can you please dial on your phone your credit card number?" Awesome. So could you now dial the month and year of the expiration date, and now the CVC number? And then it will read it back to them. So this is just an example of how you can, for example, collect numbers, collect dates, collect any type of information that you don't want the person to say out loud, but you want to still collect it in a secure way. Okay. So, Ivo, do you want to go right into it and demo how to use the IVR navigation?
Of course. So if we have an agent here, it's completely empty just for this demonstration purposes. So if we are saying, you can just prompt the agent now what to do when it hits an IVR system. So for example, if you hit an IVR system, always, always go for the sales department. Let's publish this, and then let's send a test call. And then I'm going to be the best IVR you've ever seen. Oh. Welcome to Nedzo AI.
Hey,
If you
Evo.
are interested in support, press 1. If you are interested in sales, press 2. If you're interested in marketing, there we go. And it hang up. So that is like a very quick example how you can use an IVR system. So that is from the AI pressing the keypad, but you can also do it the other way around, that the user is letting you know what, for example, like in this example, you can ask for a credit card and then ask for the expiration date numbers. Let's just stick it all the way until there. And if I'm gonna send another test call to myself, it will repeat those numbers back to me if I enter it in the keypad. So if I get my call, there we go. Hi there.
Hey, Evo.
Hi there.
Hello. How can I assist you today?
I would like to enter my credit card number.
Could you please enter your credit card number followed by a pound by $. Sign? Please enter your complete credit card number followed by the pound sign. Card.
Okay.
Please enter your credit card number followed by the pound sign. You entered 123 123 123 123. Please enter your month expiration number followed by the pound sign. Please enter your year expiration number followed by the pound sign. You entered August for the expiration month and the year 2036. Thank you.
Thank you too. Bye-bye.
I'm here to assist, not to process real transactions or personal data like credit card numbers. If you have any other...
Of
Yeah,
course,
anywho.
this was a very quick and dirty demo, but we just wanted to quickly show how you can make use of it and, of course, be as creative as you want with it. Now, before we dive into Q&As right away, just to wrap it up, one amazing new feature, and Ivo just highlighted it before the first call that he showed in the demo, is we are adding advanced monitoring for call spam and call and any type of numbers. So what it will mean is that not on top of the current system and the current railguards that we have in place, our advanced system will not only look up for any spam potential or any flags that your numbers are going through in general, but to go through each and every carrier. We'll also go through spam mitigation apps and also FCC. And this will ensure compliance, will ensure that you don't get yourself in trouble if you're calling the wrong person, but also ensuring higher pickup rates. So this is something that was only available on Enterprise, and that we are super excited to start rolling out very, very soon to all standard plans as well, with the additional cost of no additional cost. So it will be just free. But yeah, that will be an amazing feature to increase pickup rates, increase success rate, and results. So without further ado, let's dive into questions. We have one here from Ronnie. Ronnie, feel free to unmute yourself. I love the platform. Thank you. And I only have one question. I need to be able to extract any information I want from the leads, not only contact info, but also any custom questions. Sure, happy to help with that. Do you want to expand on that?
Yeah, how you doing, guys? Yeah, all I need to pretty much I'm loving the platform, very user friendly. I can have anybody actually in my team to go ahead and create bots and use them.
Perfect.
So now the only I will say roadblock that I'm having is custom fields and also variables, right? That's how you guys call them.
Mhm.
And so I have a few clients that I need to set up for qualification bots. And some of the questions are do you have a reliable transportation? Do you have insurance? Can you pass a background check? So I need to populate or gather the data that they are answering and push it to go high level. And when my agents are, or my customers' agents are actually checking the information, they can just read it on the custom fields on the contact level, right? Inside Go High level. I read on the email that you said that this might be like an enterprise level function only, or
No. So I remember that email. No, what I was referring to was creating. So there are two ways that we can interpret that. So we have variables. Variables are fields that you can use in Nedzo's interface. And Eva, would you mind going to an agent detail page?
Sure.
And if you go to variables, copy one, and go to the prompt, and you can use it in the prompt. How could you use it? Hey, first name, I have, hey, first name, that's one. Or hey, first name, I have this email on file. Is that correct? So on and so forth. Which is with data that you already have and you want to use it in a conversational way. Extracting information, anyone can use it. So variables are in Nedzo's interface. Then extracting information is what happens post-call, right? So what I was referring to was we are rolling out custom variables, meaning giving you the ability to go into your account and say, I want to create a new variable that it's called, what's your date of birth? Or I think we already have that, but what's your daughter's name? For example. I don't know why, but you could use something like that. Now, extract it. That is what we are rolling out very, very soon, like probably, I won't say probably, but probably next week. But
Hopefully.
what I was to your question, everything that you want to do, you can already do it. And in a matter of fact, that's how we do it. So let's say you have an agent that asks for what's your budget? How soon are you looking to buy? And what is your current policy? Right?
Yeah.
Example. Then, as soon as the call ends, Nedzo will send to your CRM. You told me that you use high level, correct?
Go high level, yes.
Yeah. So just like Eve was showing on the on the screen, as soon as the call ends, you have the trigger that will push all information. What information? Call summary, transcript, details about the agent, length, so on and so forth. So you can extract all additional information that was collected during the call as soon as it hits the end of call report. How? Eva will show you.
Thank you, Dennis. Oh, interesting.
Let me
Let me. I think I need to log in. It's another way.
hold on. I just pull over because I'm driving. I by the way, I have the onboarding call at 12:30 Pacific time, but since we're here, I mean, I think this will do.
Oh, no worries. So in that case, instead of showing you on the screen, I can walk you through it. Very simple. End of call report. You update the contact to see if it's an existing contact on your database or if it's a new one. And then you use a GPT step and ask, hey, I will give you a call transcript. I want you to extract what's their budget. That's it. And then you can update your CRM field with that response. Does it make sense?
Perfect. Sounds good. Yeah, that's pretty much like that's the only because I was playing with the whole setup, and I'm learning. I'm not a tech guy like you guys are, but I'm learning. I'm coming from the IT background, but all this, with CRM and stuff like that is new to me. And I only been doing it for like a couple months, so I'm trying to learn it. But that's the only issue that I'm having because I need just to know that information and for my clients to be able to read it in their CRM, in their high level account.
Absolutely. FYI, between today and tomorrow, because you have the onboarding call tomorrow with Evo, do you have access to the Nedzo Academy yet?
I do, yeah.
Awesome. So if you go to the Nedzo Academy, the academy itself, you go to the integrations section, you'll see end of call report, go high level.
Yeah, I saw it.
I break it down how you can extract additional information. But anyways, our team tomorrow will be more than happy to put that in place. And you'll see once you see how it works, it's just like, okay, it's just like riding the bike.
Yeah, perfect. Okay. Yeah, because I was using the inbound webhook from Go High Level, right, and testing it on the agent level, right?
Oh,
yeah.
You're doing it old school way.
Yeah,
I was doing it that way. So that's why I was not getting.
We made it a gazillion. Yeah, we made it a gazillion times easier now.
Perfect. Awesome. I like that. That's the only issue. I know Maria sent an email yesterday, Dennis. But if we can make this work, I mean, we're projecting to sell the hell out of this, the bots, because we're gonna be selling each bot for $500. We have clients that they can afford it. So if we can just, learn how to get data, right, for custom fields, we money. We're money.
That's the point.
Yeah.
That's the point. And also, I mean, if you manage to put together the webhook with the way it's supposed to be done, just with the native integration, it feels like heaven on earth. Is like super quick, 1 minute and you're done.
Oh,
Yeah.
sweet. Perfect. Then looking forward for tomorrow.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Awesome.
Perfect.
If you
And
have
I'm
any
gonna
questions, feel free to let us know.
sounds good. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, no, I think that's the only question I have.
Amazing.
All right.
Awesome. Well, we are also about to wrap up. Now, of course, the two major, the two key features that we rolled out, they're recently on top of IVR navigation and also the advanced phone monitoring system includes the Copilot. So we just launched a video. Also, we just posted in the academy. Our marketing team did it, so you can go ahead and check that session. But essentially, you don't even need to prompt. You can very easily go to your agent, click Copilot, have a conversation with it, and then it will prompt it for you. Now, remember, this is a feature still on beta. So if you find anything like any inconsistency, or if you find anything that could be improved, please reach out to us. We are always eager to hear your feedback and build on top of it. So that's it for today's call. Thanks to everyone who is watching or who is live on the call. We all catch you on the next one. Peace out.
All right. Have a great day. Bye-bye.